Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare the Audi Q7 diesel versus petrol engines. We'll dive into the specifics of each powertrain, helping you understand their unique characteristics. Our focus will be on key areas like power output, how far you can go on a tank of fuel, and the overall cost of ownership. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture to decide which Audi Q7 engine aligns best with your driving preferences and lifestyle. When it comes to performance, there are notable distinctions. Diesel Q7s, like the 3.0 TDI, typically offer robust torque, often around 600 Nm, providing excellent pulling power and a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of about 6.1 seconds. Petrol variants, such as the 3.0 TFSI, deliver higher horsepower, frequently around 340 horsepower, and can achieve 0 to 62 miles per hour in as little as 5.6 seconds, offering a more spirited top-end feel. Fuel efficiency and running costs are crucial factors. Diesel Audi Q7s, like the 3.0 TDI, are known for their impressive fuel economy, often achieving between 34 and 35 miles per gallon combined. Petrol models, such as the 3.0 TFSI, typically return around 25 to 27 miles per gallon. While initial purchase prices can vary, diesel often presents lower running costs for those covering significant annual mileage, though maintenance for both can be substantial. The driving experience also differs significantly. Diesel Q7s offer a powerful, composed feel, ideal for long journeys and towing, with their strong low-end torque. Petrol models tend to be quieter and smoother, particularly in urban environments, providing a more immediate and refined acceleration. Ultimately, your choice depends on your driving habits. If you prioritize fuel economy and long-haul capability, diesel is a strong contender. For a quieter, more responsive drive, petrol might be your preference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.